Hello friends, I'm William from Brazil. Welcome to Daily Will, the most beautiful places and best vistas of Brazil. We remain discovering Mato Grosso. Today, let's enjoy the best way, one of the Brazilian's waterfall. What about getting a natural waterfall massage? This is just possible along draw season at the National Park of Chapada dos Guimarães. So, come with me, enjoy your tour, and preserve nature, the essentials for life. Hey guys, we're close to Marimbondo Waterfall after drove for 63 miles from Cuiabá and crosses Chapada dos Guimarães. Let's hurry up because it's very hot today. Together with me today, my brother Albany and his wife Raíssa. I would walk 200 meters. You can see the best waterfall of Chapada dos Guimarães for enjoy a long hot days. Welcome, you're at the Marimbondo Waterfall. Now just enjoy this work of nature and let's go love. At the waterfall, a little surprise. The water is very cold, but also today is too hot. My god guys, this water is very good. Oh my god. The best combination for getting a natural massage. Holy Mary, this waterfall is very good, but it was an invigorating experience, wasn't it? So, if you have any question about this tour at the National Park of Chapada dos Guimarães, comment there. I'm here to help you to plan a trip. I hope you like this today tour. Give more like and subscribe to support me and also for more videos. Now I invite you to relaxing and swimming to gather many fishes in Nobres. Above click take you to Reino Encantado. You're crazy if you miss it. So guys, that's it for now. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye for now.